Do you really feel to sound fluent in English we need a expensive coaching classes and good teacher? Well, I don't think so. Let's talk about my secret to learning spoken English. Hi, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel English Practice Zone. Well, if I talk about myself, I didn't have any teacher and I didn't have any expensive coaching classes as well. Yes, I enrolled myself in a course 6 months ago, but that was just for practice. They were not teaching any type of grammar rules, structure, vocab, nothing was there. They were just practice with me. They used to just practice with me. Okay, but and it was very expensive. They were charging for one classes to 50 rupees, and I took that classes just only for 15 days because it was too expensive. And I felt that it was not that much useful for me because that time I was not able to speak, and I was not able to speak. I didn't have a confidence as well. So that coaching classes was not fruitful for me. Then I decided to do it on my own and I started talking to myself. Whenever I feel that I'm alone, I can talk louder, out loud. So I started talking with myself, and along with I used to watch some English videos as well, and still I watch. And after that, when I searched on the YouTube, I came across one or two application where we can practice with the people all around the world. So that helped me a lot. If you want to know the name of that application, just comment me. I'll tell you where you can improve your English. And after joining that platform, I found that I have improved a lot. Honestly, I have improved a lot. So yeah, so I want to tell you only one thing, that if you are really serious and if you have that vision that you can you want to be fluent in this language and you want to be proficient in this language, so you can go for it. We have a lot of resources nowadays, AI, and as I told you, that platform, and so many YouTube's videos are there, and I'm also with you to practice. So we have a lot of things, like we can learn so many things by YouTube videos and from AI, and you can practice with me as well. You can apply that thing talking with me. Okay, one more thing is there. To sound fluent in English, you need to speak. Doesn't matter how much time you are giving to your listening practice, how much time you are watching the videos on YouTube. Until you speak, you are not going to speak. Okay, so start practicing. And one more thing, don't feel shy, don't think about the people, and don't afraid of being judged. Just sitting at a place and thinking that we wanna be fluent in English, I wanna be fluent in English, nothing going to happen. Anything wouldn't change anything. For that, you have to speak. uh, in this starting, just start with small sentences, and whatever knowledge you have about English, you can start with that. Doesn't matter how well you are speaking. Remember, fluency doesn't come from thinking about English, it comes from practice English every day, speaking English every single day. So, if you are a serious learner and you wanna sound fluent in English, so you can practice with me. And I wanna practice with genuine people, those who are very serious about it. So that's why I have created this way. And if you are interested, you can send me your mail ID in the comment section and we will connect soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.